Hello, this is Jane in Reviews, and today I would like to review this free sample provided by Steamify. So it's a pressure steam cleaner and also sterilizes everything that you're cleaning as well. So it has the 12 accessories as you can see here. This is the water measurement that you want to put one of that inside here. I just put mine, and then you want to close it. So basically everything is going to be able, you're going to be able to insert it inside here. I just chose to insert this and then this brush to clean. And then if I want to begin steaming, first I need to see about the red light. Let me show you here. When the red light is off, then it's ready to use. You also have to plug it into the power, and I want to press here. I'm pressing here. So you can see that steam. You can clean easily your shower, your tile. In this case, I would like to clean here on my wall. There's some stain. I hope you check it out. This is very helpful to have around the house, and thank you for watching my video.